Welcome to Gosia and Home Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you my family favorite Polish Christmas Eve dinner recipe. Usually the Christmas Eve dinners often starts with red beets soup, borscht, with mini pierogis, Uszka, and I hope you enjoy. For today Barszcz recipe I need 3 large beets, carrot, parsley root, leeks, and celery, 1 apple, 1 onion, 2 garlic, and I have red beet kvass. I make this before, you can find this on my channel. Bay leaves, black pepper, salt, and allspice, and dry mushrooms will be perfect addition for my borscht. Let's go start it. The beets roots I will cut in small pieces. Carrot and parsley I will cut like this. Same with apples. This is for extra flavor. Now I'm adding beets. You can see the mushroom I have in my cooking pan. I soak all night. Now I'm adding all my vegetables, beets. I'm adding leeks, celery, carrot, parsley root, and apples, 2 garlic, few bay leaves, and allspice. Now I'm adding water to cover all vegetables. And the last part I'm adding onion. Next I'm adding red beets kvass. Now I'm adding salt, about 1 teaspoon, and black pepper. I like my borscht very spicy, so 1 teaspoon right now, and we can check later if I need more or not. Sugar, 1 teaspoon right now. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye. Merry Christmas and Wesołych Świąt Bożego Narodzenia.